Sneha Charitable Trust belongs to the Chameleons, a Catholic faith-based organization founded by Saint Camillus. Sneha Charitable Trust was established in the year 2003 to coordinate the healthcare initiatives of the Chameleons in India. Over the years, Sneha Charitable Trust has been able to make many novel initiatives in HIV care, overcoming fear with exemplary service, fighting stigma with empathy and compassion, resisting apathy and lukewarm attitude with comprehensive continuum of care. Sneha Charitable Trust has been providing a leadership role to faith-based organizations, managing HIV care since its inception, and managing some of its own community care centers like Snehadan in Bangalore, Sneha Sadan in Mangalore, Sneha Kiran in Hyderabad, and Sneha Thiram in Kerala. On July 14, 2008, Sneha Charitable Trust ventured into a new dimension in HIV care by opening a home and school for children living with HIV named Sneha Care Home and Shining Star School. The sudden spark for starting the home was a prospective reality check about the future of children living with HIV in a scenario of these children growing up and becoming adults with the availability of better treatment options. However, our own experience from what we have seen happening to these children made us to realize that we were adding years to their lives without adding quality to their lives. And consequently, many children were lost, unable to face the challenges of life. Sneha Care Home is an evidence-based residential model which aims to provide comprehensive care to the children. It is divided into two phases, the pre-adolescent phase in Bangalore and the adolescent phase named Snehagram in Nachikuppam, Krishnagiri district. The program has four major components. They are education, psychosocial support, clinical support, and co-curricular skill development. Following the motto of the school, Educate for Life, we follow the open schooling system of education, which is flexible and suitable to their aptitude. Along with regular schooling, we also focus on value education, following the Living Value Education program, and life skill education, following the life skill module of UNICEF. The psychosocial department aims to help children deal with emotional and psychological issues. All the interventions carried out focus on stabilizing their emotional well-being, ensuring emotional security through various psychological tools and techniques, and gradual and age-appropriate HIV disclosure. The social care department acts as a mediator in sustaining the link between the child and the parent and the community at large. The social care department has two broad aims: to bring an understanding to the family members that creating a family support helps in molding the child better and in easy reintegration of the child back to the community, to initiate processes and facilitate activities to establish and maintain healthy family relationships among the children. The clinical department of the center aims to address the health issues of the children through systematic care and support, cost-effective and sustainable maintenance of health of the children by focusing on preventive care and maintaining their immunity, monitoring the nutritional level of children and planning steps to help children who are malnourished, monitoring and educating children about personal hygiene and healthy habits, maintaining and effectively managing the health data of the children, and conducting researches for monitoring and evaluation. The co-curricular department focuses on developing self-esteem and confidence of the children, identifying the aptitude of the children, making a therapeutic impact on the children through organizing various activities and skill development sessions, developing positive interactions and companionship among the children, and giving exposure to the children in different areas. In June 2013, the second phase of the program began its full functioning. The primary focus in the second phase is adolescent guidance, aptitude-based vocational skill development, completion of secondary school, and job placement and family and community reintegration. Childhood and adolescence is a memorable time for all of us. But for all the children in India living with HIV, this is only a dream because most of them are deprived of parental guidance, need-based education, skill development that will open the doors of employment opportunities in the future, and life skills and values that will guide and sustain them in their personal and social lives. We need a collective effort to actualize these dreams of children. So we request you to be generous in giving and join hands with us in our efforts to ensure that these children have a secure future life. You can support us through volunteering, advocating, financial support, fundraising, and corporate support. All financial contributions made to us are tax exempted under ATG, and foreign contributions are recognized by FCRA. For more details, log on to www.snehacarehome.org.